All right, kids, for this experiment, we are going to be looking at the Coriolis effect. So we're going to do a model. You need balloons, markers, and a partner for this. So only one balloon. What you're going to do is you're going to blow on it, make it not as big, but make it round. Okay, so as you could see, I already put some air in the balloon. So in the middle, try to find the middle and try to make a line all the way around. It shouldn't be perfect, it's fine. But go ahead and label that as the equator. And then at the top, you're gonna find the top and you're gonna label it the North Pole. And what's at the bottom, all the way at the bottom, you are gonna have the South Pole. I'm not sure if you're able to see it. Okay, and now this balloon, this actually represents Earth. Okay, so as you could see in our globe over here, okay, you do have the equator. That middle line at the bottom, that's the equator. And again, we're going to use the balloon to represent the Earth. Okay, so I found my partner. Now I'm going to get the North Pole. I'm going to touch it from here. And what I'm going to do is trying to go straight down to the equator. But the tip here is that he is going to be rotating to his right. So here we go. Go ahead and let's try to make some observations. I'm trying to go down and stop. Okay, so you guys didn't see that because the balloon went down. So let's give it another try. Now let's give it another try. So I'm going to get it from the North Pole and my partner is moving it to the right. Okay, and I'm trying to go ahead and go all the way down. All right. And notice that the second line matches the first line and it's going to the side. Now we're going to try to do this a little bit faster. I'm going to get it from the North Pole and try to move it a little bit faster and go. And stop. Okay, so now let's see this observation right here. So the speed does affect. Notice this is the first one. Is it a straight line going down? No, it is not. Make your observations and write it down. Okay, so now let's see what happens when we get it from the South Pole and go to the equator. So go ahead and turn it to the right. And stop. Okay, and I'm going to do it again. Go ahead and do it again. Go ahead. And stop. Okay, so let's make the observations at the bottom. Here we go. And I'm going to slowly turn it around. Can you go ahead and get my marker? Thank you. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it around slowly so you could make your observations. And this here represents the Coriolis effect. Hold it. And now slowly turn it. Turn, turn, turn. Okay, so this is our globe right here that we have. Now, again, the balloon represented Earth. And if we go ahead and carefully look at the equator, we have lines here as well. And we do have the currents. So let's try to think about this. The lines are going around as well, just as what you saw in our balloon. So you do have the Coriolis effect being shown. You have the currents here. So try to make a connection. I don't want to give you the answers yet. Try to find connections. How does this apply to what we learned with the balloon and with the Coriolis effect?